So welcome back guys. My name is Amlan and in today's Make Noise Free campaign we go about looking at what all you can do in case your iPhone ear speaker is not working. Now this problem has been faced by many people who own an iPhone, and in this particular tutorial we go about looking at the troubleshooting steps that you can take to fix this. Now the ear speaker here does not seem to work for some reason. Let's look at what we can do. Now first things first, head towards your settings. Scroll down until you see Bluetooth. Now, if the Bluetooth is on, just disable this. This may actually fix the issue and it may come as a surprise to many people. What happens here is that the device using the Bluetooth may have wirelessly connected to some speaker, and therefore the sound is coming out from the speaker and not from the earpiece on your iPhone. So this is step number one. Now we head towards again the iPhone home screen, and let's look at the other solutions. The next solutions that I am about to speak are more focused on the accessibility part of settings. So head towards settings, scroll down until you see accessibility. Here under accessibility, tap on touch. Now scroll down and you will see an option called as call audio routing. Tap on this. Now tap on speaker. Now what this does is, like, it helps the earpiece speaker get more priority over other things, and so like this can really help. Go ahead and tap on speaker under call audio routing. So hopefully doing this will help. Now again, like I said, head towards settings, and under settings I want you to again go to accessibility. Now hopefully your problem should have been sorted. In case it hasn't so far, scroll down here until you see hearing devices. So tap on hearing devices and toggle the hearing aid compatibility to on. So this should now really work and hopefully your problem should get solved. Most people tell that having the call audio routing turned on and the Bluetooth turned off should help you deal with this issue, and if that doesn't work, maybe turning this on, the hearing aid compatibility, will help fix your problem. It's preferable that at this point you can simply reboot the phone once. Sometimes rebooting the phone also really helps, so do let me know if rebooting really works in this case. Now if after doing all this things don't work, just take your normal brush and just try and clean your ear speaker. This can work like magic, and if there is some dust or some other particles on your ear speaker, well, like, cleaning that thing will really help in the ear speaker coming back to life. So go ahead and clean your ear speaker and see whether that helps. Now say you have done the Bluetooth off, the accessibility settings, clean the ear speaker, things are still not working. In that case I will ask you to kind of go ahead and reset all settings on your iPhone. For doing that, go towards setting, click on general, scroll down until you see transfer reset iPhone, click on reset all settings, and enter your passcode. I will just blur this. So once you put down your passcode, and then you can tap on reset all settings. Just a piece of advice here, don't worry, none of your data gets deleted. Only the network password needs to be again re-entered. Tap on reset all settings, again tap on reset all settings, and things should begin. So there you go, the Apple logo has come, and in short moments from now the phone will reboot and hopefully all your problems should be solved. Now once the phone has rebooted, hopefully you will find that your earpiece has started working. Even for people who are still struggling, just try this. Although this may sound crazy, just flap the phone on the back, like give it some firm pats on the back, and then massage from down to up, gradually moving out as you can see here, and then simply reboot the phone. So while doing this, do the massage on the back side also, gradually moving out. So again, just a small few flaps and just reboot the phone. So hopefully doing all of this, like turning the Bluetooth off, doing the accessibility settings, cleaning the ear speaker, Then basically also resetting all settings in case none of the other things worked, and then maybe patting the phone on the back with a few flaps, and then massaging bottom to top, gradually moving out as we demonstrated, and then simply rebooting the phone. So do all of this and let me know whether this helped in getting your ear speaker on iPhone getting to work. So that should be all from my side. If it helps, kindly share this with all your friends and family, and please do subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.